Hello guys, welcome to the digital world. Today I am going to show the most popular mask, which is the surgical mask. So we have to know the in this in the pandemic situation, mask is mandatory for everyone, all those people. So this is very essential for all the people. So I am selected this type of surgical mask. They have certain benefit, certain advantage, disadvantage, all those things I will discuss in this video. So I have selected one mask with surgical mask, face mask. So first of all, why should I choose the face mask? Also in the market available, there are lots of the mask which is the N95 like that. This type of huge huge mask is available in the market, but I have selected only the surgical mask because of this mask is very cheap in and very so that very low price, and so it should be used for few days. After that it you may be thrown. So if I use of this in type of it's a very high price mask N95 like that. This mask it's not used in very long times because of the indoor side of this mask. After 1 month, it should have certain smell which is much more harmful for our lungs. So that's why it is in. I think this is not that much usable. If I use of very cheapable, marks this may be thrown after few days. This may be more advantageous and more safe for our body. So there have certain advantages which is the easily wearable. So there may have to be sufficient elastic property that it may be easily usable to any boys, girls, childs, and old people. All the people can be used. Next is the factor stabilized and breathable. Sometimes some old people just should not be properly absorb this oxygen, so when they have use of this N95 or high price mask. So if we use of this type of surgical mask, this is very easy to absorb of this oxygen. Next is the obviously it should be dust proof. So they are have three layers. Easily it can be prevent any kind of micro dust. Next it should be protestable and safe for use. Okay, next how to use of the surgical mask. So there are step by step how should I use of the surgical mask. First one we can see that and put out the mask from this in box and stretch it in across the face cover to your nose and chain using both hand just as showing this in illumination below. So this is first step. After that put the elastic in to loop attached on both side on the mask and then to hook it behind both your you are using your finger fingers exactly as show in this in picture in below. This picture is easily show the how to use of this in how to use of this in rope. Next step number 3, having fixed the mask on your face, you adjust it properly and spread from it bottom of your nose and chain it. So in this example below I will show again how to properly adjust or fixed in your above nose. So this is the procedure to wear. So this is very simple. eh, Now, regarding this surgical mask, there have certain precaution, certain properties. There have to three layer, three like face mask. So this is the very protectable mask. Obviously, there have three layer means it has sufficient protecting or resisting layers. Now it is comfortable and easy breathing. So obviously, I have already told that it easily breathable. Another is the high elasticity air hook. Sometimes very high, very deep where which is also affecting or some harmful in the air, air side and air inter side, which can be affected on our ears. So this is the very high elasticity. Easily it can be longs and shorts. So it is very useful in this around. So long time you can use of this mask. Now I have seen in the left side picture that you can be adjust of this in mask just like a rotate and wire in this wire in properly, and it properly set it in the properly seated in the notch. And if you want to use of the glass, then this is the very useful. Though sometimes some high price in mass which is affected during the use of this glass in your eyes, then some of these breathing papers come up to this in sunglasses. So it this kind of problem would not show from this marks. Now, thank you. If you wants to buy like this, obviously it is very good. I thinking, and all the people have to different type of choice of this mask. But I have like to this type of mask. Even they have this type of the properties, and also within the price is in if you consider then obviously 2.5 say 2.5 per patient. So obviously this is very cheap price, so you can use this type of mask. So thank you.